Everybody Z. Everybody Z. Ladies and gentlemen, Wamunku na Wamuma, fellow students, countrymen and women, from wherever you're watching me from, whether from the southern part of the country, the northern part of the country, the western part of the country, or the eastern part of the nation, this is the CBU Bulldozer speaking, and my message is very simple. My message to the University of Zambia, to the family of the deceased, is CBU mourns with you. Thank you very much.